What's up, arty people? My name is Julie and welcome to my art channel. Today is day 7 of Inktober and I am really happy with this piece. I think the last couple of days I've been in a little bit of a creative funk. I haven't really wanted to sit down and do anything, so they haven't been the greatest, but this one I'm really happy with. I had a lot of fun doing it. My husband got me all set up today with coffee and candy and lights and candles and all that wonderful stuff. So I've definitely been feeling a lot better, and today's painting I think reflects that a lot. I had a lot of fun with this little guy. I actually this is kind of a redraw. I did him last year for day 4, I think. If you really want to see it, go look on my Instagram because I'm not showing you here. Yeah, he was just a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for today's painting. If you like this video, make sure to click that like button, and if you really like it, subscribe for a new Inktober video every day of October, and then regularly scheduled videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Alright, I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.